Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of genetic engineering and biotechnology. In this video, we'll explore how scientists manipulate genes to solve real-world problems, from medicine to agriculture. Genetic engineering is the process of altering the DNA of organisms to achieve desired traits, while biotechnology uses these techniques to create products and solutions that impact our daily lives. As we journey through this topic, you'll discover the science behind gene editing, the breakthroughs it has enabled, and the ethical questions it raises. Let's begin by understanding what genetic engineering really means. Understand genetic engineering, we first need to know about DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for life. It's found in every living cell and acts as a blueprint for building and maintaining an organism. The structure of DNA is a double helix, made up of 4 chemical bases that pair up in specific ways. By changing the sequence of these bases, scientists can influence the traits an organism will have. This foundational knowledge sets the stage for all genetic engineering techniques. Biotechnology isn't a new concept. Humans have used biological processes for thousands of years, like fermenting bread or brewing beer. However, modern biotechnology began in the 1970s, when scientists learned to cut and paste DNA from one organism into another. This breakthrough allowed for the creation of genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, which have since revolutionized medicine, agriculture, and industry. The ability to manipulate genes opened up endless possibilities for innovation. Gene editing is at the heart of genetic engineering. Scientists use various tools to cut, add, or replace sections of DNA within an organism's genome. One of the most famous tools is CRISPR-Cas9, which acts like molecular scissors, allowing precise changes to be made. This technology has made gene editing faster, cheaper, and more accurate than ever before. By targeting specific genes, researchers can correct genetic defects, enhance traits, or even introduce entirely new ability. Genetic engineering has transformed medicine in remarkable ways. Scientists can now develop gene therapies to treat inherited diseases, such as cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. By correcting faulty genes, these therapies offer hope for cures rather than just symptom management. Additionally, biotechnology enables the production of synthetic insulin, vaccines, and even personalized medicine tailored to an individual's genetic makeup. The potential for improving human health is enormous. In agriculture, genetic engineering has led to the development of crops that are more resistant to pests, diseases, and harsh environmental conditions. Scientists have created genetically modified plants that yield more food, require fewer pesticides, and can even withstand drought. These advances help ensure food security for a growing global population. Biotechnology also enables the creation of biofortified crops, which are enhanced with essential vitamins and nutrients to combat malnutrition. Beyond medicine and agriculture, biotechnology plays a crucial role in industry. Microorganisms can be engineered to produce biofuels, biodegradable plastics, and other valuable chemicals. These sustainable solutions help reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and minimize environmental impact. Industrial biotechnology also enables the efficient production of enzymes used in detergents, food processing, and textiles. The possibilities for greener, cleaner manufacturing are expanding rapidly. CRISPR technology has revolutionized genetic engineering. Discovered in bacteria, CRISPR allows scientists to target and edit specific genes with unprecedented precision. This tool has accelerated research and made gene editing accessible to more laboratories around the world. CRISPR's simplicity and effectiveness have led to rapid advances in treating genetic diseases, improving crops, and even exploring possibilities like gene drives to control pests. Its impact on science cannot be overstated. Great power comes great responsibility. The ability to edit genes raises important ethical questions. Should we edit human embryos to eliminate disease or enhance certain traits? What are the risks of unintended consequences? Society must carefully consider the moral implications of genetic engineering, balancing the potential benefits with the need to protect human rights and biodiversity. Ongoing dialogue among scientists, policymakers, and the public is essential. Genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, are organisms whose DNA has been altered using genetic engineering techniques. GMOs are widely used in agriculture to create crops with desirable traits, such as resistance to pests or improved nutritional content. While GMOs have brought many benefits, they also spark debate about food safety, environmental impact, and labeling. Understanding what GMOs are and how they're made is key to informed discussions about their use. Gene therapy involves introducing, removing, or altering genetic material within a person's cells to treat disease. Recent successes include treatments for rare genetic disorders and certain types of cancer. By delivering healthy copies of genes or using gene editing tools, doctors can address the root cause of illness. While still an emerging field, gene therapy holds promise for curing diseases that were once considered untreatable. Biotechnology enables personalized medicine, where treatments are tailored to an individual's genetic profile. By analyzing a person's DNA, doctors can predict how they'll respond to certain drugs, identify disease risks, and design customized therapies. This approach increases the effectiveness of treatments and reduces side effects. Personalized medicine represents a shift from one-size-fits-all healthcare to more precise, patient-centered care. The idea of designer babies, children whose genetic traits are selected or enhanced before birth, has sparked intense debate. While gene editing could prevent serious diseases, it also raises concerns about social inequality, consent, and the definition of normal. The possibility of choosing traits like intelligence or appearance challenges our values and ethics. Society must carefully weigh the risks and benefits before moving forward with such technology. You might be surprised to learn how much biotechnology is already part of your daily life. From the food you eat to the medicines you take, biotech products are everywhere. Enzymes in laundry detergents, bioengineered crops, and even some vitamins are all made possible by biotechnology. As the field advances, we can expect even more innovations that make life healthier, safer, and more convenient. Genetic engineering and biotechnology can help address environmental challenges. For example, scientists are developing plants that absorb more carbon dioxide or clean up polluted soils. Engineered bacteria can break down plastic waste or treat wastewater. While these solutions offer hope for a cleaner planet, it's important to monitor their long-term effects on ecosystems and biodiversity. Bioinformatics combines biology, computer science, and information technology to analyze genetic data. With the explosion of DNA sequencing, scientists need powerful tools to interpret vast amounts of information. Bioinformatics helps identify disease genes, track epidemics, and design new drugs. It's a vital part of modern biotechnology, enabling discoveries that would be impossible with traditional methods. Synthetic biology goes beyond editing existing genes. It involves designing and building new biological parts, devices, and systems from scratch. Scientists can create custom organisms that produce medicines, biofuels, or even new materials. This emerging field blurs the line between biology and engineering, opening up possibilities for innovation and discovery. However, it also raises new ethical and safety questions. Cloning is the process of creating a genetically identical copy of an organism. The most famous example is Dolly the sheep, cloned in 1996. While cloning has potential benefits such as preserving endangered species or producing organs for transplant, it also raises ethical and practical concerns. The debate over cloning continues as technology advances. As the global population grows, ensuring food security becomes more challenging. Biotechnology offers solutions by creating crops that are more productive, nutritious, and resilient. Scientists are also developing lab-grown meat and alternative proteins to reduce the environmental impact of traditional farming. These innovations could help feed the world while conserving resources. Rapid pace of genetic engineering and biotechnology requires careful regulation. Governments and international organizations set guidelines to ensure safety, protect the environment, and address ethical concerns. Regulatory frameworks vary by country, but all aim to balance innovation with public welfare. Ongoing oversight is essential as new technologies emerge. Public understanding of genetic engineering and biotechnology is shaped by media, education, and cultural beliefs. Misinformation and fear can hinder acceptance of beneficial technologies. It's important for scientists and educators to communicate clearly, address concerns, and promote informed decision-making. Building trust is key to realizing the full potential of biotechnology. Biotechnology industry is booming, with startups driving innovation in healthcare, agriculture, and sustainability. These companies develop new therapies, diagnostic tools, and bio-based products. Venture capital investment and partnerships with universities fuel rapid growth. The startup ecosystem is a hotbed of creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in biotech. Biotechnology has the potential to address challenges in developing countries, such as disease, hunger, and environmental degradation. Projects include drought-resistant crops, affordable vaccines, and clean water solutions. However, access to technology and resources remains a barrier. International collaboration and investment are needed to ensure that the benefits of biotechnology reach everyone. Career in biotechnology offers exciting opportunities to make a difference in the world. Fields include research, medicine, agriculture, and industrial applications. Education in biology, chemistry, engineering, and computer science provides a strong foundation. As the industry grows, demand for skilled professionals continues to rise, making biotech a promising field for the future. Intellectual property rights, such as patents, play a crucial role in biotechnology. They protect inventions and encourage investment in research and development. However, patenting genes or living organisms raises ethical and legal questions. Balancing innovation with access to technology is an ongoing challenge for the biotech industry. Genetic engineering is also used to improve animal health and productivity. Scientists can develop disease-resistant livestock, enhance growth rates, and produce animals that yield more nutritious products. Biotechnology is helping to create vaccines and treatments for animal diseases, supporting food security and animal welfare. Bioremediation uses genetically engineered organisms to clean up environmental pollutants. Bacteria and plants can be designed to break down toxic chemicals, oil spills, or heavy metals. This approach offers a natural, cost-effective solution to environmental problems. As research advances, bioremediation could play a key role in restoring damaged ecosystems. The ability to alter our genetic makeup challenges our understanding of human identity. As we gain more control over our biology, questions arise about what it means to be human. Biotechnology forces us to confront issues of diversity, disability, and the nature of individuality. These philosophical questions are as important as the scientific ones. Gene drives are genetic systems that increase the likelihood a particular gene will be passed on to future generations. Scientists are exploring gene drives to control populations of disease-carrying mosquitoes or invasive species. While promising, gene drives raise ecological and ethical concerns, as their effects can spread rapidly through wild populations. Legal frameworks are essential for managing the risks and benefits of biotechnology. Laws govern everything from the approval of new drugs to the release of genetically modified organisms into the environment. As technology evolves, legal systems must adapt to address new challenges and protect public interests. With the rise of genetic testing and personalized medicine, privacy concerns are growing. Who owns your genetic information? How is it stored and used? Protecting genetic privacy is crucial to prevent discrimination and misuse of data. Laws and ethical guidelines are evolving to keep pace with technological advances. Future of genetic engineering is full of promise and uncertainty. Advances in gene editing, synthetic biology, and bioinformatics will continue to transform medicine, agriculture, and industry. As we push the boundaries of what's possible, society must navigate the challenges of ethics, safety, and equity. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Scientists are exploring how genetic engineering can slow aging and extend healthy lifespan. By studying the genes that influence aging, researchers hope to develop therapies that prevent age-related diseases and improve quality of life. While the fountain of youth remains elusive, biotechnology offers new hope for healthier aging. Biotechnology is a powerful tool in the fight against infectious diseases. Scientists use genetic engineering to develop vaccines, diagnostic tests, and treatments for diseases like COVID-19, malaria, and HIV. Rapid advances in genomics enable faster responses to emerging threats, saving lives and improving global health. Genetic engineering is transforming cancer treatment. Scientists can identify genetic mutations that drive cancer and develop targeted therapies to attack tumors while sparing healthy cells. Immunotherapy, which harnesses the body's immune system, is another breakthrough made possible by biotechnology. These advances offer new hope for patients and families. Many rare diseases are caused by genetic mutations. Biotechnology enables the development of treatments for conditions that were previously neglected. Gene therapy, enzyme replacement, and personalized medicine are bringing new options to patients with rare diseases, improving outcomes and quality of life. Emerging research suggests that genetics play a role in mental health conditions. Biotechnology may help identify risk factors, develop new treatments, and personalize care for disorders like depression, schizophrenia, and autism. Understanding the genetic basis of mental health could lead to breakthroughs in prevention and therapy. Biotechnology is helping to create healthier foods. Scientists can enhance the nutritional content of crops, reduce allergens, and develop functional foods that promote wellness. These advances support better diets and address global nutrition challenges, especially in regions where deficiencies are common. Genetic engineering and biotechnology have revolutionized forensic science. DNA fingerprinting helps solve crimes, identify victims, and exonerate the innocent. Advances in genetic analysis make forensic investigations more accurate and reliable, supporting justice and public safety. As humans venture into space, biotechnology will play a vital role. Scientists are exploring ways to grow food, recycle waste, and protect astronauts from radiation using genetically engineered organisms. Biotechnology could enable long-term missions and even support life on other planets. Artists are using biotechnology to create living art, such as glowing plants or bacteria-based paintings. This intersection of science and creativity challenges our perceptions and sparks conversations about the role of technology in society. Bioart is a unique way to engage the public with biotechnology. Genetic engineering could one day enhance athletic performance or aid in injury recovery. While these possibilities are exciting, they also raise questions about fairness and the spirit of competition. Sports organizations are beginning to consider how biotechnology might impact the future of athletics. The impact of genetic engineering and biotechnology extends far beyond the lab. These technologies shape our health, environment, economy, and culture. As we navigate the opportunities and challenges, it's important to engage in open, inclusive conversations about the future we want to create together. Despite the incredible potential of genetic engineering and biotechnology, significant challenges remain. These include technical hurdles, ethical dilemmas, regulatory complexities, and public acceptance. Addressing these challenges will require collaboration among scientists, policymakers, and communities worldwide. The journey is just beginning. Genetic engineering and biotechnology are transforming our world in ways we could only imagine a few decades ago. From curing diseases to feeding the planet and protecting the environment, the possibilities are vast. As we move forward, it's essential to balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring that these powerful tools are used for the greater good. The future of biotechnology is bright, and its story is still unfolding.